do things like this.
Yeah, man. It was hot today, but not as hot as it was yesterday. We hit 102 here in Portland. We're about at 95 right now.
Yeah, temperatures in the mid-90s. You know, I've been asking the boss if we can get our own tubs of ice and make our own promo, but I just don't think it'll be as cute if we see, you know, I don't think anyone really wants to see me.
No, I didn't think he'll go for that.
No.
But it looks so cool for them.
Or maybe if we can have the Oregon Zoo bring, like, maybe when the animals here and do it. That'd be cool.
And then we'll set up a camera. We'll get the camera going. Okay, yeah, you're right, Jeff. It's a little bit cooler than yesterday, about 5-6 degrees. Still very warm out there. Still something that will slow you down. If you get the body going, take your breaks, get inside, maybe get a cool towel or some water. Vancouver right now, nice, beautiful blue sky. There's some clouds around. A little cloudier than what we have going on here yesterday, especially if you're looking to the south. You can see some high thin clouds moving through the Dalles, Stoller Winery, some blue sky, and then the Oregon coast. That influence there out towards the Pacific is keeping it cool, and it's also keeping it nice and cloudy out there for the Oregon coast. So that's the place to go if you want that natural way to stay cool. Now here in the valley, we warm up about 30 degrees, mid-90s for Portland as well as Salem, a little bit warmer in Salem. Then we get to the triple digits. Once you head east of the Cascades, the Dalles all the way through about Bend to Deschutes County there, and extending out to Pendleton, 105. Record day is 103. Oh, 103. We'll call it that. 106 there on Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday's record is 107. 1965 was the record there, but that heat wave here in 2009 was really something that you may remember if you've been here for a little bit of time. All right, temperature trend coming up Thursday at 98. I have 102 on Friday, 102 degrees there on Friday. We get the triple digits there on Saturday. 94 on Sunday, 84 on Monday. Finally breaking that heat Monday and Tuesday. We are now to 4 days of 90 degrees or above. Yesterday we hit 100, so we put it at 1 day. We'll probably have to reset that because I don't think we're going to get there today. The record, though, that 2009 heat wave, July 25th to August 3rd, where there was 10 days in a row. Dry over the top of us, but this southerly flow here, kind of pulling in from the southeast, rather, that is bringing in some monsoonal moisture. Notice that we do have some lightning strikes starting to pick on up from a couple of these thunderstorms around Crater Lake into the hills and the mountains there, producing lightning. We don't like to see that, of course, this time of the year. We want it to be, well, rainy, but not active like that. So we'll keep an eye on that because we haven't had many wildfires, and these are the type of cells that could produce wildfires with that cloud-to-ground lightning. Forecast through the overnight hours will show a few more showers down there, but they slow down after sunset. Notice that we have the cloud coverage continuing there for the Oregon coast. I'm not anticipating any sort of rain, but you might get a mist out there early in the morning hours. What we are dealing with up here is maybe some high-level smoke. Notice on this weather data here, as we put this model into motion, it continues to kind of throw some smoke over the top of us as we go through our Thursday and Friday. Very thin and way up there in the sky, so it's not going to be too noticeable around here. All right, weather pattern, we have the ridge over the top of us. Watch what happens over the next couple of days. Doesn't change very much. In fact, it kind of holds tight. We stand pat here with this ridge, and it's going to continue into the weekend where it actually expands out to the southeast. I think Friday and Saturday are both going to be very warm days. We're looking for a trough to form here on Sunday night, which will kind of push and wedge everything down to the southeast. That will cool us down. Okay, here's the forecast zones for tomorrow. The north coast, about 70 degrees, some clouds, and maybe a break of sunshine. The upper 90s here around the Willamette Valley, at the mid-90s in the Western Gorge, the Hood River area right around triple digits. The Dalles, I'm sorry, just very little relief. Temperatures back to about 110 degrees. Again, try to get things done early, but still very warm in the morning. Pendleton at 107, and that goes for Madras as well. Well, here's your 7-day forecast. I have us at 98 tomorrow, as I mentioned. Maybe a couple more high, thin clouds again for tomorrow. But we're back to just blistering sunshine as we go to Friday and Saturday. We'll keep that summer sizzle going on Saturday. We cool down slightly on Sunday. Sunday will feel more like what we have going on today. So maybe 5-6 degrees cooler. And then we really notice that rush of cooler air on Monday, but more so on Tuesday. So if you remember the heat dome last year when we got that cold front that brought in that like 20-degree drop, this will feel something similar to that, just not as drastic, but it'll feel good.
It will. Yeah. We just have to wait a few more days and we'll get there. We'll ride this together, Joseph. Thanks.
A reminder.